Hey everyone, it's Evan at I Am Detailing, and this week we have something a little bit different for you. So behind me is a 1997 911 Carrera in Zenith Blue Metallic. And this is my car that just went through a 9-month restoration project. It was my grandmother's, and when she passed away, my family decided it was my legacy to take on going forward. I knew that I needed to do it right, so we sent it over to our friend Jan over at V&S Motors, who completely made sure the engine and everything was good to go. We did a bunch of upgrades, we lowered the suspension, and then we brought it back to the detailing shop and finished a whole bunch of stuff on this thing. Full paint correction, dry ice cleaning, laser cleaning, ceramic coating, tint, wheels, the whole 9 yards. And I'm very stoked to put that video together for you guys. But as you know, 9 months, big video, and it means a lot to me. I would like to actually spend some more time on that video. So today I wanted to ask you a couple questions. As you guys might have known, our views are down this year. As of 2026, we have about a quarter of the views that we normally have. We used to average about 2 million views a month. We're about 500,000 right now. So we wanted to ask you guys what you want to see on the channel, because there's a lot of different ways we can do this. We want to make sure that it's something that you guys are interested in, but we also don't want to lose what got us here in the first place. Part of that is talking to you and seeing what we can do. Do we want one video a week that's kind of normal, and then every other week we do something a little more informative? Do you guys want a little more behind the scenes in the shop? Please answer down in the comments below and let us know what you're thinking. There's a lot of different ways we can go about this, but Jacob and I really, this is a passion project of ours. This is a love of ours. We love how we have a community. You know, I have you guys that I talk to every Sunday, and I have for 5 years. So we would really like to do something for you that we don't want to just guess. So if you guys can put it down below, answer a little poll questions that are in the description, we can really get down to what we want. So I'm going to finish this video up with a couple shots from the shop of what's going on recently. We've got some really cool stuff. Obviously, if you guys follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen it's been Mercedes heaven as of late. We've got some really cool projects coming on, and this thing is beautiful. It's mine. I'm very, very stoked to show it to you guys, but I would like to make the video very special, and that requires a little bit more time. If you could please let us know what you'd like to see out of the channel down below. We'll be really, really stoked to hear from you guys. Thank you for following us. Thank you for spending time with us each week. We couldn't have done it without you. And honestly, it makes me really happy to speak with you guys every Sunday. It's been the thing that keeps me going. It's the thing that keeps Jacob and I doing this. So we'd really love to hear from you guys and know what you want to get out of this. So thank you guys much. Have a great rest of your weekend. And I hope that you have a fantastic Mother's Day for the moms in the house here. What?